Good morning, children. You know, Mother's Day is coming. That's why today I am going to teach you how to make a flower with paper. For this, you need 3 yellow color paper, square paper, 1 circle, cotton, fevicol, tea leaves, 1 scissor, sharpened pencil, sketch and green color crayon. First of all, we will fold the paper like this. Now again fold it like this. Fold it again. Now again fold it like this. Now see, this is the open side and this is the closed side. And from the closed side, with the help of pencil, we will draw one curve like this. Now, with the help of scissor, we will cut. We will cut all the 3 yellow sheets like this, and after cutting, it will look like this. Now, apply fevicol on the white paper. Keep cotton in it and wrap the white sheet on the cotton properly with the help of fevicol like this. Now, with the help of fevicol, paste all the 3 flowers like this. Now paste tea leaves on it. Now paste this flower on white color sheet like this. With the help of green color crayon, draw the stem of the flower. Now draw the leaf and fill the color like this. On the other side, also draw leaf. Now fill the shade. Now with the help of black sketch, write HAPPY, happy, MOTHER, S, mothers, DAY, day, happy Mother's Day. Now present this flower to your mother. Thank you.